Have you ever wondered how YouTube knows what videos you want to watch next? How Netflix recommends movies you'll probably enjoy? Or how your email automatically filters spam messages? These amazing technologies are powered by machine learning. In today's video, we're going to explore what machine learning is, how it works, the different types of machine learning, and why it is becoming one of the most important technologies of the 21st century. Let's get started. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data instead of being programmed with detailed instructions for every task. Think about teaching a child to recognize a cat. You don't give the child a list of thousands of rules. Instead, you show many examples of cats until they learn to recognize one. Machine learning works in a very similar way. By analyzing large amounts of data, computers learn patterns and use those patterns to make predictions and decisions. Traditional computer programs follow fixed rules written by programmers. This works well for simple problems. But many real-world problems are far too complex. For example, imagine writing rules to recognize every possible face in the world. It's nearly impossible. Machine learning solves this problem by allowing computers to learn from examples rather than relying on manually written rules. As more data becomes available, these systems can improve their performance over time. Machine learning is already part of your daily life. When your email identifies spam messages, machine learning is at work. When your phone unlocks using face recognition, machine learning is involved. When YouTube recommends videos or Netflix suggests movies, machine learning is analyzing your preferences to provide personalized recommendations. You may not notice it, but machine learning is everywhere. So how does machine learning actually work? The process typically involves 5 steps. First, data is collected. Second, the data is cleaned and prepared. Third, a machine learning model is trained using that data. Fourth, the model is tested to evaluate its performance. Finally, the trained model is used to make predictions on new data. The quality of the data often determines how successful the model will be. Let's look at a simple example. Suppose we provide thousands of images of cats and dogs to a machine learning model. During training, the model learns important features such as ear shape, facial structure, and body characteristics. After seeing enough examples, the model becomes capable of identifying whether a new image contains a cat or a dog. This is one of the most common examples used to demonstrate machine learning. There are 3 main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Let's briefly understand each one. In supervised learning, the model learns from labeled data. This means the correct answers are already provided during training. For example, if we want to predict house prices, we train the model using houses with known prices. The model learns the relationship between features and outcomes and then predicts prices for new houses. Email spam detection is another common example. In unsupervised learning, the data does not contain labels. The model must discover hidden patterns on its own. Imagine a company with thousands of customers. Without any instructions, the model can group customers based on similarities in their behavior. This helps businesses better understand their customers and improve marketing strategies. Reinforcement learning works differently. The model learns through rewards and penalties. Whenever it makes a good decision, it receives a reward. When it makes a poor decision, it receives a penalty. Over time, it learns the best actions to take. This approach is commonly used in self-driving cars, robotics, and game-playing AI systems. Machine learning is transforming many industries. In healthcare, it helps doctors detect diseases earlier. In transportation, it powers self-driving vehicles. In entertainment, it provides personalized recommendations. In finance, it helps identify fraudulent transactions. The possibilities continue to grow every year. Traditional programming follows this formula. Rules plus data produce an output. Machine learning reverses the process. The system learns the rules from data and examples. This ability to discover patterns automatically is what makes machine learning so powerful. Machine learning offers many advantages. It can process massive amounts of data quickly. It improves accuracy over time. It automates decision-making. And it can uncover patterns that humans might miss. These benefits are helping organizations become smarter and more efficient. Despite its benefits, machine learning is not perfect. It often requires large amounts of high-quality data. Training advanced models can be expensive. Some models can be difficult to understand. There are also concerns about privacy, security, and bias in data. These challenges are important areas of ongoing research. The future of machine learning is incredibly exciting. It is expected to revolutionize healthcare, robotics, education, transportation, and many other fields. As computing power continues to increase and more data becomes available, machine learning systems will become even more capable and intelligent. Machine learning is one of the most powerful technologies shaping our world today. From recommendation systems and voice assistants to self-driving cars and medical diagnosis, machine learning is already transforming the way we live and work. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more content on artificial intelligence, machine learning, and technology. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.